Hello, and welcome back to Everything Excel and More. For those who are joining us for the first time, I am your instructor Odlami Ayomide, and I work as a data analyst within the financial services industry. And to my consistent subscribers, I say welcome. Today I'll be talking about joining texts from different cells. That is, taking text from different cells and bringing it into one cell. For example, we have first name in this column and we have last names in this column. So I'm going to try joining the last name and the first name together. Then I'll also do the first name and the last name together. Now in this column, I want to add the last name, a comma, and the first name, right? Now, so one symbol we use to join texts together in Excel is using the ampersand. That sign that looks like an 8. Yes, that's what we'll be making use of. Is that clear? Okay, so we begin. Now, to start anything or any formula in Excel, most of the time we start with an equal to, right? So I'm just going to select this cell. I'll use my ampersand because I want to add a comma, right? I can't just add the comma like this. No, it's not possible. I have to put my comma in a column, or what do they call this? A semi apostrophe. Then I open that, right? I'm going to put my comma in between that. Then another ampersand symbol and this cell. That is all. So the ampersand will connect cell D3 and cell C3 together with this comma. Do you understand? So I'm just going to press enter. So can you see I have Smith, comma Nancy. So that's the last name and the first name. Then I would flash fill as we all know how to do, right? If you want to flash fill, you can just come to the home tab here and you see the fill button, or you come here and drag it down. When you drag it down, when you click the first column and the cursor here changes to black, you drag it down, then the rest of the text will be filled up. So I'm going to do the same for the full name, except instead of starting from the last name, I'm going to start with the first name. That's cell C3. So I'm going to do that same process again, starting with an equal to, right? Cell C3, then my ampersand symbol, which we get by pressing Shift 7, right? This time I'm not going to put a comma. I don't need a comma. All I need is space. So I'm just going to put my two columns, right? Now instead of a comma, I'll create a space in between, right? Then add my ampersand with my cell D3. Can you see? So we achieve these results. So I guess that's all for this video. If there are any questions, you can just let me know in the comment section. And if you want me to treat something particular you don't understand in Excel, you can also comment in the section box below. I'll be watching. Bye.